Guys, I found one of my issues. Water in the floor. Probably leaked through my sunroof. We recently had a tropical storm Sarah passing through here, so I unplugged this. I'm gonna update you eventually. Okay, now guys, let's check this. Hey, fucking roach. Sorry about that, mate. So, it was roach. Nothing good fish spray won't help. So let's check now. Hey! As well, there's moisture here. Fuck. But if now what part? The drain for this day. I look for it. You two tell me leaking on the side, but I try to play it that bitch here and you know drain out shit. Floor jack. Okay, that poured me out.